Hi, my fellow foodies. Today, I'm going to talk about the fascinating evolution of sushi. In the USA, it might seem like sushi has undergone a lightning-fast evolution. After all, just a few decades ago, sushi was something of a novelty dish, seen in only a handful of big cities. Now you can find sushi bars in every corner of the country, and pre-made sushi rolls in just about every supermarket. But this dish's evolution goes way beyond the past few decades. So let me tell you all about it. While sushi is arguably Japan's most iconic dish, with ramen coming in at a close second, many scholars trace its origins to China. Yep, China! I didn't even know that. A Chinese dictionary from the 4th century AD describes the process of placing fish in fermented rice. As the rice fermented, the acids it produced would kill any harmful bacteria on the fish. Essentially, the fish was pickled in cooked rice. Sushi, then, was a way of preserving fish, long before refrigerators were invented. It is believed that sushi was introduced to Japan in the 9th century AD. In the beginning, sushi owed its popularity to the spread of Buddhism. Because many Buddhists abstained from eating meat, fish was the primary protein, and fermented fish with rice quickly became a Japanese staple. Originally, sushi was a labor-intensive and time-consuming dish, taking up to 6 months to properly ferment. The type of sushi that most of us know today came along much more recently. I am referring to the vinegary rice balls topped with raw fish, a type of sushi known as nigiri. Nigiri is believed to have been developed in Edo, now Tokyo, in the early 19th century. In the 1820s, a pioneering food vendor named Hanaya Yohei set up a food stall in the heart of Edo. He added salt and rice vinegar to his cooked rice, allowing it to ferment quickly. He also used fresh fish, recently caught from the nearby bay, so that the fish itself did not need to be fermented. Many consider Yohei to be the first modern sushi chef. Vendors who followed Yohei's lead set up sushi carts, known as yatai, all around Edo. Then, in 1923, an earthquake struck the city, and land values plummeted. This allowed many cart vendors to buy land and set up shop indoors, in the cozy sushi bars that dot the world today. By the 1950s, sushi carts had all but disappeared from Tokyo. Then, the first American sushi bar opened up in Los Angeles' Little Tokyo district in the 1960s. Due to the area's large Japanese population, sushi quickly became popular in Southern California. From there, it spread to other major cities, like New York and Chicago, in the 1970s. Advances in shipping and refrigeration allowed sushi to be shipped across the Pacific to hungry diners across the US. And now, of course, it's just about everywhere. And the great thing is that now we also have vegetarian sushi, which is obviously my thing. I personally recommend avocado cucumber sushi rolls, eggplant sushi, sweet potato tempura rolls, and my new favorite crispy tofu sushi. To know more about this, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Bye-bye.